So tonight I'm really excited to announce a new award we have, the first annual NAPA Autocare Center of the Year. You know, every year we've done the technician, and as we started to do it over the last few years, it was more about the shop owner, and they really weren't spending as much time working on vehicles. They had all the certificates, but they were managing their business. So Ronnie, he's a true tech. That's what he does. So we decided, let's just have that be a technician and let's have a shop of the year. So the criteria was set, and it's all things Autocare, all things ASE, all things AAA, all things Autocare. Each division was able to submit one to us. Our Autocare Advisory Council got together, so none of them could win. That was we had to overcome that a little bit. But they vetted it, and one came out. Let's take a look.
It is an absolute honor to have Brian Bates representing us in NAPA Denver as the first National Auto Care Center of the Year. I met Brian about 9 years ago when I became the district manager here in Denver, and was very impressed with him from the get-go. He had one shop at that time, and you could see Brian was going places. His customers are very loyal to him, and he's built a good customer base very quickly in the areas he's moved into, and doing so by being a professional shop and representing his operation and NAPA Auto Care very well.
The big thing is NAPA is a family. Something that was deeply ingrained in me by my mentor was that we are in the people business. And NAPA does the same thing with us, and I felt that from the moment that we were introduced to a NAPA sales representative, and he kind of wrapped his arms around us and helped us get started as a fledgling company. I knew that these people were concerned about me as a person, about our business first, that we would naturally buy more parts from them, we would grow strong as a company and build our customer base so that we both would be successful.
I first met Brian about 8 years ago. I was opening a new shop in Littleton, and he came to me and introduced himself and wanted to have lunch and just get to know me and my partner at the time, and see if he could help us in any way. As I've gotten to know Brian over the last 8 years, now it doesn't surprise me at all because he's that kind of a giving type of person. He wants to see everybody successful.
It absolutely makes sense that Brian won that award. He is so deserving of it. He's just got that winner's personality in general. He's a contagious man. You want to be around him, and he surrounds himself with the most incredible staff. They are a direct reflection of the leadership that he has in this organization, and it's just great to be a part of it as a customer.
Well, I'm a strong believer in that high tide raises all ships. And so when we saw that there was a need as things changed to develop a business development group, we knew that there was a lot of other shops out there that really needed help, and we felt like if we could help them out, then that would reflect well upon the NAPA business community and help us strengthen our shops as well.
So for many years, we've been taking our vehicles to a variety of both independent and chain store auto service centers. Brian opened his store not too far from where we live, over down the street. And so virtually upon him opening, we thought, let's check it out. So we went down there, and I don't even remember which vehicle it was we took there for the first visit. But we did a quick tally the other night. We've had well over a dozen vehicles that we've brought to him over the years. Everything from little Econo boxes to SUVs to large SUVs to small pickup trucks, big pickup trucks, even a travel trailer or two, for a little bit of help. So consequently, we've just been thrilled with the work that we've gotten done there, and we've told several people that we know about our experience there, in hopes that they too would check it out.
We treat everyone like family. It's important to us that they know we care and that we don't want them to leave us or move on to another place, even though sometimes they do, but that they are one of us and that we're there for them as much as they're there for us.
Brian and Rondi and his team members are much more than just customers to NAPA Denver. They're friends, and they're really part of our overall effort here, and we're very proud to have them hanging that NAPA Autocare logo on the outside of their buildings.
Well, first of all, it's humbling to be voted by our peers as the top auto care center in the country is amazing to us, and it's something that we're really, really proud of and very honored to be named and to be able to represent NAPA in 2018.
So, from Littleton, Colorado, Brian and Rondi Bates. Come on up, you two. Congratulations, buddy. Well done. Come on over here. Come on over here. All right, stand center stage. So, do any of you recognize Brian? Because he was kind of a rock star at the last expo. He was on the big stage with Brett talking about things. I first got to know Brian when he joined our council from the Mountain Division, and I've been a big fan since. Been to his shop, and they're the real deal. So it's interesting, you know, Brian comes by this naturally. He was almost born into it. His grandfather, his father, and his uncle were in the auto body business prior to Brian getting into the business. They opened their first shop in 2004 and joined Autocare in 2005. But it runs deeper than that. They have 3 shops now, and they embrace all the Autocare elements. Pro Image, they have a great business development group there in Denver, very strong. He does safe pay, digital inspection, as well as digital menu board. He's a ASE Blue Seal shop, a AAA approved auto repair. And I just could say this, that if we had 17,000 like these two, Jason probably wouldn't have to work very hard because it would just come naturally, right? So, you know, it had quite a beginning though. It was funny, Brian and I got talking about it, and they started out, Brian served our country in the Army for 4 years. Yep, it's okay. They got married, moved to Germany, and came back, got his college degree, and was in the OE dealer business as a technician, and decided to open up Eagle Automotive. And Brian and Rondi are very active in their communities. I don't know if you saw all the pictures on the wall of the sports teams and all that. You go into their shop, and there's all kinds of thank yous and community involvement mementos there. So very, very involved that way. And I guess I would just sum it up by saying Eagle Automotive is a huge asset to the NAPA brand. So congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to NAPA Denver, Will, Tony. Congratulations, Eric Fritsch from the Mountain Division. We couldn't be more proud for you guys to win the first annual NAPA Autocare of the Year Award. So we got some prizes here. Give the check to Rondi, $5,000. You get this faux ring. No, we got a nice ring and a plaque that you can hang proudly. We got 3 plaques, so we'll mail the other 2 to you, so you can put one in every single shop. And you too will also be honorary crew chiefs at an NHRA or NASCAR event of your choice. And we're also got a $5,000 to go towards Pro Image Interior. So Tony, there you go. That's a start. Okay. Don't say he didn't get anything. He's got enough to get started. Okay. Would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, sure.
Go, please.
All right, great.
Go ahead, Ron.
First of all, I just want to let everybody know how humbled I am to receive this, because there are so many amazing NAPA Auto Care operators out there, and I know that every one of you guys out there knows somebody that probably deserves to be on this stage as well. So to have our team recognized is a huge, humbling honor. My wife probably, you clap for me for being in the military. She was a military wife, and throughout my whole career, and we've been married 25 years. She did the math for me. It works out. Sometimes it seems longer, sometimes it seems shorter. But she's been with me through the military while raising 2 kids while I was going to college, working 70 hours a week at a dealership, buying a store that she somewhat agreed with at first. And so she's really the wizard behind the curtains. And there's a saying that a leader that takes credit for his team is a thief. And my team at my shops are probably some of the most incredible people in the country, and they work hard every single day. So they really deserve the credit for everything that we do and for the recognition here. So even though we couldn't bring them all here today, I want to thank all those guys for doing what they do, and the girls. Mr. Askey told me I only had about 45 seconds. I talked to Mr. Mayor, and he said that I had 45 minutes, so I don't know.
Well, let's go sit on the couch then, Ronnie. We'll just sit down over here.
I keep looking for the hook because Mr.
You're
Askey
fine,
told me
you're
he was going
fine.
to give me the hook.
You're fine.
No, I just, again, I want to thank everybody and thank NAPA. They have really wrapped their arms around us, and it's been a mutual success. They've helped me open new stores. They've done everything that we could ever ask for. They've been the first ones front and center to ask us, what can we do to help you grow your business? And we couldn't have gotten where we are right now without them, and we look forward to huge success with them as a partner in the future. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Askey, and everybody else at NAPA.
Well done. Well done. Congratulations. Okay. There you have it, Eagle Automotive, the first annual NAPA Auto Care Center of the Year. Congratulations, you two.